Welcome back. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of herbal medicine. We'll be exploring some of the most powerful herbs that can heal the body and discussing how you can incorporate them into your daily life. Do watch till the end, as I will also be sharing on how to use them. And if you like this video, do give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Without further ado, let's get started. 1. Turmeric, the golden healer. Our first stop is turmeric, often called the golden spice due to its vibrant yellow color. This powerful herb has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine, particularly in India and other parts of Asia. Turmeric contains curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory compound that supports overall health, particularly gut health and the immune system. It may also help with metabolic syndrome, blood sugar issues, and obesity, making it a versatile addition to your health regimen. How do you incorporate turmeric into your diet? To find out more about turmeric, do check out my other video on body-changing turmeric benefits in the link above and in the description down below. 2. Ginger, the warming wonder. Next up is ginger, a close relative of turmeric and another powerhouse of healing properties. Ginger is excellent for digestive health and reducing nausea thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It's traditionally used for colds, flu, and respiratory infections, making it a go-to remedy during cold and flu season. Here's an interesting fact. Ginger was so valuable in ancient times that it became extinct in the wild about 2,000 years ago. All the ginger we use today comes from cultivated plants. Have you ever used ginger to help with a cold or upset stomach? To find out more about ginger, do check out my other video on what happens to your body when you eat ginger every day in the link above and in the description down below. 3. Cinnamon, the sweet healer. Cinnamon isn't just for sprinkling on your latte, it's a powerful medicinal herb with a long history of use. This sweet spice may help regulate blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity, making it particularly beneficial for those managing diabetes or pre-diabetic conditions. Cinnamon also boasts anti-inflammatory properties, adding to its health-promoting effects. 4. Lavender, the calming aromatic. Lavender is a versatile herb known for its soothing fragrance and numerous therapeutic properties. Well known for its calming effects on the nervous system, lavender may help improve sleep quality and reduce anxiety. It also possesses antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties, making it useful for minor skin irritations. Lavender can be used in various forms, including essential oils, teas, and dried flowers, offering multiple ways to incorporate its benefits into your daily routine. Have you ever used lavender to help with relaxation or sleep? To find out more about the uses and benefits of lavender essential oil, do check out my other video on lavender oil in the link above and in the description down below. 5. Lemongrass, the citrusy healer. Lemongrass is a tropical herb with a refreshing citrus scent and a range of potential health benefits. It contains compounds with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce fever and relieve digestive issues. Lemongrass is often used in aromatherapy for its uplifting and stress-reducing effects, making it a great addition to your wellness toolkit. You can enjoy lemongrass as a tea, use it in cooking for a zesty flavor, or apply it topically as an essential oil. Have you ever tried lemongrass in your cooking or as a tea? To find out more about the uses and benefits of lemongrass essential oil, do check out my other video on lemongrass oil in the link above and in the description down below. 6. Peppermint, the cooling calmer. Peppermint is more than just refreshing flavor, it's a powerful medicinal herb with numerous benefits. This versatile herb can help soothe digestive issues, including IBS, and has a cooling effect that makes it useful for headaches and muscle pain. Peppermint can be used in various forms, including as a tea, essential oil, or supplement, making it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. How do you use peppermint in your daily life? To find out more about the uses and benefits of peppermint essential oil, do check out my other video on peppermint oil in the link above and in the description down below. 7. Chamomile, the gentle relaxer. Chamomile is well known for its calming properties and is often consumed as a tea before bedtime. This gentle herb may help improve sleep quality and boasts anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Additionally, chamomile can be used topically for various skin issues, making it a versatile addition to your natural health toolkit. Do you have a bedtime ritual that includes chamomile tea? 8. Garlic, the pungent protector. Garlic isn't just for keeping vampires away, it's a potent medicinal herb with a wide range of benefits. Known for its antimicrobial properties, garlic can be useful in fighting infections. It may also help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, contributing to overall cardiovascular health. Garlic can be consumed raw, cooked, or as a supplement, offering flexibility in how you incorporate it into your diet. How do you incorporate garlic into your diet? 9. Ginkgo Biloba, the brain booster. Ginkgo Biloba, one of the oldest living tree species, has been used medicinally for thousands of years. This ancient herb may improve cognitive function and memory, making it popular among those looking to enhance mental performance. Ginkgo Biloba also has antioxidant properties and can support cardiovascular health, offering benefits beyond just brain function. Have you ever tried Ginkgo Biloba for memory or focus? 10. Valerian root, the sleep supporter. Valerian root is often used as a natural sleep aid and to reduce anxiety. This powerful herb may improve sleep quality and reduce the time it takes to fall asleep, making it a popular choice for those struggling with insomnia. Valerian root can also help reduce anxiety and stress, and is often used in combination with other calming herbs like chamomile for enhanced effects. Have you ever used valerian root for sleep or anxiety? Incorporating herbs into your daily life. Now that we've explored some of the most powerful healing herbs, let's discuss how you can incorporate them into your daily routine. 1. Herbal teas. One of the easiest ways to enjoy the benefits of herbs is through teas. You can buy pre-made tea bags or create your own blends using loose herbs. 2. Cooking. Many herbs can be easily incorporated into your cooking. For example, adding turmeric and black pepper to your dishes not only enhances flavor, but also boosts the absorption of curcumin. 3. Supplements. For more concentrated doses, you might consider herbal supplements. However, always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. 4. Topical applications. Some herbs can be used topically in the form of essential oils or ointments. 5. Herbal baths. Adding herbs or essential oils to your bath can be a relaxing and healing experience. What's your favorite way to use herbs for health and healing? Comment below. If you enjoyed this video, do like and share this video so that more people will learn about these powerful herbs that help heal the body. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos of health tips for women, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.